Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to How to Admin in-game on Nod's server. If you choose to admin, you will no longer be able to play this round of the game. This is simply because you will be able to see both allied and enemy forces' radios and their HUDViews, vehicle placements, and troops. Simple. When you wish to start adminning, press Shift-P. This will get you into admin cam. If you press 0, you'll get all of your settings and all your commands up in the top left corner. Up in the top right, you might have also seen something pop up, but we'll get to that later. At the bottom of your top left corner, you'll see altitude. This is very basic. Simply by press and holding space, you will go up. And your number will change from 0 to a 1, as such. And by pressing Control, you'll go down. Simple. Now we'll go from the numbers 1 to 9. Number 1, your fly speed, currently set at 1500. This will determine how fast you will go forward and move around in admin cam. By increasing it, simply scroll up your scroll wheel and it will increase. Scrolling down will decrease it. Number 2, your FOV. This will be basically used as a zoom. By lowering your FOV, you can scroll up and this will zoom in. This caps out at 5. By scrolling out, simply scroll wheel down. This caps at 140. I like to set mine at around 90 to 101. Number 3, deceleration. When you're moving in admin cam, you'll notice that you tend to drift a little after you've pressed or stopped pressing the direction which you wish to fly. So if I stop now, it will drift a little bit. If I increase my deceleration to, let's say, 7,000, you'll notice that when we start flying, if I let go, we'll stop moving at a much faster pace if I stop now. There you go. Number 4 on your keyboard. This is the ticket score. This is what you can see up in the top right corner. This is 100, 100. That is the ticket score currently for the both sides. By pressing 4, you'll hide the ticket number from your top right corner. If you press number 5, we'll show you what FOBs and RallyPoints look like. Currently it's set to 0 for me. Change this to 1 by pressing number 5. It will show only our radios, both enemies and friendlies. If I press 5 again and change that 1 to a 2, it will show only rally points. Now we don't have an enemy here, but it will show the enemies as well. Changing this 2 to a 3 by pressing number 5 again will show everything. Allied radios and rallies, as well as enemy radios and rallies. Number 6 is capture points or capture zones. What this will do is show you the borders. So if we press number 6, you'll see the zones. There you go. So in this case, Central DC. If a player is currently inside Central DC, inside this zone, they'll start capturing Central DC. Number 7 is Stencils. As you can see here, our senior admin Lima is currently here helping me. You see there's a faint blue outline around Lima's body, indicating we're on the same team. If we press 7, change that to a 0, all outlines, aka stencils, are removed. Both from radios, rallies, and players. HUDView simply gives you all the information that you want or you don't want. One shows everything. Allied, enemy, nothing. All, ally, enemy, nothing. Simple. Number 9, player name tags. Simply shows the player name tag that pops up when you see them from far. If I'm not simply looking at Lima, I wouldn't know who it is. But with player name tags, it shows up. When you're adminning on the server, we require you to be online at Battlemetrics at all times. At least try to. So that way, if you do encounter anything, you can simply tab into Battlemetrics, do your kick, do your ban, do your disband, anything that you need to do whilst adminning. It would also be nice if you would join the Discord and be in the admin channel, but that is not a necessary thing. You don't have to, but it's nice to have you there. If you're a junior admin and you have any questions about your decision making or just any general questions where you don't know what to do, never be afraid to ask a senior admin for help. We've all had to start somewhere, we've all been there, and we're here to help you. Never be afraid to ask for help. So that concludes this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope it helped. And good luck out there, admins. Do your best. We believe in you.